Hello guys, my name is Technex and today we are gonna make this game zombie shooter. Well, it's not remix, it's not for anyone, and let me show you the trial. Wait, oh. There we go. Yep. Yeah, look at the points it's shooting. And here's a note that you can also move. Hey, look. And when you lose, it shows your screen. Hey, don't worry, alright? And now, let us see. So what we have made basically is this. Okay. Alright? Just look at the cleanliness. Yeah, and now look, there's so many codes. So basically we are going to start with the player. Alright, hey, where's that code? Yeah. New project, I'm going as usual. It's okay. Alright, hey, look, here's a guy. No, I don't want this guy. First, let's make this white. I'll go to paint. And also, hold on shift while you're doing it. I'll take like that, and also I'll outline. So I'm gonna take almost same color, and yep. Yeah, so basically do shift with it. Hey, shift with it, and we got this. We don't want this big, so basically we don't want this ball too. So basically almost like, let's see, this way. Yep, looks good. And now it shall be almost over here, which was of course 0, and it's really, yeah. And now let us go. Actually I meant 2 of these types because of the I want. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna make a darker of this. Hey, I meant no, please don't hold shift. Alright guys, and guys, no outline, of course. If you want the outline, make it black or else no. Stupid. Yup, it looks good. Hey, no. You want to make it more of it? Yup. Alright. So what is the code? Events show, because in the end we are gonna hide it. Show and show one second. Actually, I don't actually remember. Yeah. And okay. Sorry guys, after a mistake, I'm so sorry. We just alright. And I'm also going to make a variable. I'll tell you later. Forever if ah two and hey two and space left. Actually, I want mouse down because I have my speak key. Okay, anyways, we are gonna broadcast. This is shoot bullet, but let's not make the bullet right now. And then let's make all the functions. Let me reflect. I don't want to forever if another if key 1 plus sorry. Same goes, but 2 equals to 1 this guy cool. What was the last word? Forever, yeah, forever going towards most well, yeah. Look at this view. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Wow, we have 19 now. That's good. Yeah, sorry, so guys. I've put many women in here. If I want actually, I actually press right arrow from its object. Move 5 steps. Let's see. Even. Yeah, we are getting dual to condenser. And yeah, look. So guys. Yeah, look, it's following the thing. And actually I wanted to show this because the thing is in and suppose I want to go -2 16 yep, and like this, and because it's 0.2 transmitter. So basically we can't do 90 as you usually see in other videos. Actually I wanted to show this in the next video. We are gonna make the bullet so the shoot bullet broadcast works properly. Alright, bye guys.